Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to our channel Think Beyond the Brain. Today we are going to learn about computer file management organization of data. Now everyone are using computers in nowadays. The world is changing. Now in this COVID-19 pandemic, everyone are sitting at home. The classes are online. So many children just use the laptops and computers. So there is many much things in it. Like if we are doing the meetings on some applications like Zoom, then we have to store Zoom. Then some PDF or something comes from the school that we have to complete this, that is there in the computer. Then something comes, some video we are seeing, that comes in it. So this all storage, this all things where we will keep in computer. And the computer is also mainly just known about for its large storage. So if we store many things in it, if we doesn't understand where to keep it, how to keep it, then when if we now need that PDF, if we now need that file, then how I will understand that this is only that file, not this one. So this all comes in files, and these files. So that's why today we are going to learn about files management, organization of data, where we have to put the data, how we have to put the data. So before starting, please like our video, share our video, and subscribe our channel, and then click the bell icon to get future notifications, and watch the video till the end so that you will understand our topic, file management, organization of data in a very perfect manner. So let's get started. So today we are going to learn about files, uses of file name, types of files, other types of files, file name extensions, file path, viewing files and folders, file operations, wildcards, file searching, transfer of data, and sorting the files. So let's get started. Now files. Now as I tell that we put the files, we get all the PDF. So we have to complete these things. So files can come in many different ways, in video form, in just sound form, in a picture form, in some written text form. So this all comes in files. Now what is file? File is basically a thing, a paper like substance which contains some information, which contains something in it. Like something contains video and something contains text. Now these both things contain some information about something. This both is known as file. So now folders. Now like if I have one folder, if I have one file like thing in which I will take all my papers and that all in the file, in that file. So that file will become my folder which will contain all the things which is important, and that papers in it will be our files. So what does a folder do? The folder contains the folder, takes all information, takes all files and store it in it. Now uses of file name. Now if we don't put a name to the file, then what will happen? See, if I am making a Word document on my something, on my family, so I have not put any file name. The file name is by default Word. Then another I am making Word that my annual day in school. So again its default name is Word. Now this two, how we will understand that which one is my family and which one is my annual day. Now if for family, if I open this one, then I will still know this one is the annual day, the second one is the family. So this is a little bit waste of time. So what we will do, we will put a name to it. Like my school, one will be my school and one will be my family. Like this is my school and this is my family. So I will understand that yeah, this is my school. So if I want to do some changes in the school, I will open this one. And if I want to do something in my family, then I will do in this one. So these are the uses of file name. Now types of files. So there are just major 4 types of files. The first one is the audio, means just the sound, means no picture is over there, just like something is speaking but not its face is showing. Audio. Then video and audio, both. Now in video, that we can see some picture going on, some thing going on over there, and some sound is coming from it. So this is video. Then comes the image. Now just a picture over here which we can just see and understand just by our own. So picture which is flashed on the screen, which is there on the screen or something, it is our image. And the last one, document. Now documents are the things like if I want to talk about some, I have written something new, I have written some text, or I have written in Word, I have made a PPT or a PDF. So this all which contains some written information, this is called as documents. Like for example, PDF, then PowerPoint, Excel, Word, etc. These are the 4 major types of files. Then comes our other, which some things they are not that much important, like the first 4: audio, video, then documents, and the images. These are zip, rar, HTML and PHP, and exe. Now what does this do? Now zip and rar, now they are used for collapsing the file. Now zip is used for collapsing the file in a small unit. If this file contains like 1 GB something, 1 GB it consists, it has a lot of data. So this, if I don't have that much space, I will be lost of space, I will not have space, then I will collapse that file into a zip. Whenever it is required, I will remove it from the zip, and when I am not required, I will put in zip. So this is use of zip. And rar also does that basically function, that it also minimize the power, minimize that storage of that file. These are zip and rar. And then HTML and PHP. Now these are some files like that. When something, if this file is not significant, this file I don't know, the computer doesn't knows that which this file I will use it with. So it comes like HTML and PHP, that they HTML and PHP are something like using some symbols and telling some other thing about the computer. Basically, you can say that these are the files of the computer. Then comes exe. Now, if I want to download a particular app, now that app, if I am not getting that app directly everywhere on the Play Store, Google, and that all I am not getting. So if I will type like APK or exe, now if that file comes of exe, now if I want to download like Zoom, now Zoom is not coming in the Play Store and Google, for example, then what I will type Zoom exe or Zoom APK. Now that exe form will come in the laptop, it will be downloaded, and that exe form is a form like that if we want to download a thing, that thing others would download that thing and put over there. So we will take it and re-download so that it will be there in our computer. So exe is a smaller version that if we download, then the app comes. Till that it is the exe of the app which we want. Then comes our extensions. Now, why are these extensions important? Now, the extensions are important so that if we will understand which file it is. Now, for example, if I am doing about the PPT. Now in PPT, if I have put in my family, and in Word also I have put in my family, again I am jumbling it. For that reason, if I have put in, if that extension is there like PPTX of the PowerPoint, then my family dot PPTX means I will understand this is my family of PowerPoint. And the word my family dot docx means it is now a word. So this I will understand with the extensions. So There are some audio extensions, video extensions, images extensions, documents, and the others. So let's get started. Now audio. Audio extensions comes with MP3, M4A, AAC, WMA, OGG, WAV, PCM, and FLAC. Now I am not saying all in like that MP3, M4A, ACK, OGG, WAV, FLAC, because they are the extensions and that comes in one by one. Like PowerPoint presentation. Now this in this PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint, this means power, this means this in PowerPoint, this means present, and this means station. So this is there for one word. So that's why it doesn't came PPT. It doesn't came like org and wav like this docs. So that's why it we have to take in a single letter form. Like MP3, M4A, AAC, WMA, OGG, WAV, PCM, and FLAC. These are the files for audio. And video, MP4, MOV, AVI, MPG, WMV, MKV, FV, and MTS. And the most popular which people most use is the MP4 because it is a lot reliable that it comes a lot in everything. Then images. Now in images you can see JPG, then PNG, and TIF and GIF. GIF so you understand only just continuing of the photo like in video, a small video type thing, GIF, BMP, and PSD. And then documents, DOCX, our Word, PPTX, our PowerPoint presentation, XLSX, our Excel, PDF, our written like thing, then TXT, text, then RTF and CSV. Then other things like zip, rar, exe, HTML, PHP, dot zip, zip, rar, dmg, exe, html, php. These are the others. These were the file extensions, and in this slide we have learned about the extensions, why it is important. Now we can see files in different ways. Now if there is a folder in which I have stored many things, I can see them in different ways. So there are eight ways. The first one is large, the second one is medium, the third one is small, the fourth one is extra large, the fifth one is list, the sixth one is details, the seventh one is tiles, and the eighth one is content. So we learn everything line by line. Now first we learn about the large, medium, small, and extra large. Now just seeing in this slide you can understand that what I am going to say, what I am trying to say. Now extra large means the extra large comes in the things which are very much large. So this are the extra large things. And then comes our large things, means this one. Means you can see that they are a little bit smaller from the first one. Then comes our medium, which is more smaller than the large one. And then our small, which are very much smaller. These all are the smaller ones. So you can just see by seeing, you can just understand just by seeing that the how much big they are. The extra large are so much big, the large are so big, the medium is also big, and the smaller very much small. Now in this large, medium, small, and extra large, and then what comes? List, details, tiles, and content. Now list is a thing in which the things are listed by their names, like this is my world, this is my family. Now world comes or family comes first, like in an alphabetical order. The family means F comes first. That's why the my family will be first, my world will be second. Then details. Now details come with the date it is made and the name. And then comes the tiles. Now tiles comes with their names and they are when by the author by which it is made, and then with the time. And content with all the things like when it is made, how much it is contested, like it is of 20 MB, then this names, this my family, this it is made by this name by Rakesh, author, and then the date is like 2 January 2021. Like all this information comes in that content. These were the 8 types of views. So this is how we organize the data in a particular computer, in a particular laptop. So by just learning all this thing, which all the views, and then how to put, why we have to put the name, just by this all we can understand that how much it is important to organize the data in a proper way. So that's why this all we have learned about how to organize the data in a perfect manner, in a perfect way. So, thanks for watching our video till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and then click at the bell notification for the future videos bell icon for future videos notifications. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Bye bye.